Hello again. Today I'm going to draw another cartoon character, and this time it's Andy from What's with Andy. Okay, a real practical joker, this character. So I'm going to go straight in with the pen, and I'll start at the top of his head, and he's got a kind of wing shape like this at the top of his head. And then this line comes down like that, and that's a parting, and he's got a kind of, again, a couple of wing shapes for his hair coming down like that. The other side of his face. Okay, another part of his hair comes in behind there. And this part, his wing sticks up, that comes down there. Now we'll move down to his famous sunglasses, his shades, which are kind of that kind of shape there. Alright, going up behind his ear. The ear comes in about there. And this is a line for his nose like that. And his mouth, you got this nice grin, kind of lopsided grin. And his cheek comes out slightly like that into a little square chin. And his jawline like that. Okay? Right, another bit of his hair coming in there. His eyebrows up like that. Okay. And his neck pushing forward. I'm going to draw at this angle here as if just his arms out ready for a practical joke. T-shirt, collar. His arm would stick out like this, past his chin on this side. You'll see his T-shirt. His arm, quite thin, coming out like that. To his hands, which are outstretched. His fingers are kind of pointed. And his thumb comes out kind of like that, the palm of his hand, a little line there. And this other arm, the T-shirt, comes up to the elbow there, quite high, and then back down again quite thin. And his fingers this time stretched up the way. And his thumb sticking out this side, a little line there. Okay, and T-shirt narrow at the top, getting broader as it comes down the body, and this angle right out like that. You see, going to be leaning this way. Bottom of the T-shirt comes in, curves over the leg, which will be kind of one leg will be down that way, the other one will be kind of supporting him. Fairly broad for the legs, you know, kind of really wide trouser shapes. Coming up over top of his sneakers here, with the line of the sole and the pattern, like that. And this other one, straight out, like that, on a curve. And sole of the sneaker coming up like that with the patterns on it. Okay, one last thing to do, and that is the kind of reflections in his sunglasses. I put a little shape there, another shape there, and then I would shade in sunglasses black, and I normally would leave those highlights white, but if you look at the drawings of Andy, you see they're not too bright. So I would take a pencil and just darken that reflection down slightly, like that. Okay, another bit of the hair coming in there, like that. Excellent, so there is What's with Andy. Ready to play a practical joke, so I hope you enjoyed that. And I hope you enjoy me for my next video, which is coming up fairly soon. Okay, all the best then, and happy drawing.